In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Gmail when you have multiple signed in accounts. This is a common question because a lot of people expect to see a sign out button for just one account, but Gmail works a little differently. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to gmail.com in your browser and make sure you're signed into your Google accounts. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you'll see all of the accounts currently signed in on that browser. Now here's the important part. As you can see, Gmail does not give you an option to sign out of only one account while leaving the others active. Instead, the sign out option applies to all signed in accounts at once. So if you click sign out, Gmail will log out every account connected to that session. If you only want to stop using one account, the workaround is to sign out of all accounts first and then sign back in with only the accounts you want to keep active. That is the built-in behavior of Gmail, and it's completely normal. So again, just click the profile picture, choose sign out, and then log back into the specific Gmail accounts you want to use. This is the simplest way to manage multiple accounts when Gmail doesn't let you remove just one at a time. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips and Google account guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.